Alright, hello everybody. I am making this video as a follow-up to another Zager guitar video that I made a little while ago, probably back in March when I bought it. I decided to play the guitar. I have not played the guitar since middle school. I do have a picture of my sister and I with our Gibson guitars back then, and I played for a very short while and decided to pick it up again. I'm not going to tell you how many years later. So anyway, here's the box that my guitar came in. I love the box that it came in. I love it so much I can't throw it away. But I love my guitar, of course, even more. I bought this guitar for several features, and the features make it easy to play. It's easy on the string. The strings are made out of a material that makes it easy on the fingers. The strings are placed close to the fret, so when you press down on your chords, it's very forgiving. And also the spacing of the strings is a little bit different, so it's very forgiving on the chord as well. A lot of people who buy the Zager guitars, who, by the way, it's made by Denny Zager, who wrote the song in the year 2525, and he signed my guitar on the back, so you can see that. So it's kind of cool to me because that was one of my favorite songs growing up, and he was a one-hit wonder on that one. But makes some wonderful guitars, and his heart is in the right place in regards to selling them for a price that, you know, most people can afford. So I wanted to play a little bit for you to show you in a very short period of time. I can't, you know, I am a beginner guitar player, so please keep that in mind, and do not be too, you know, hard on me. So I'm going to play a few chords from Leaving on a Jet Plane. I have a little soundtrack in the back that I'm going to play. I downloaded, it's called Justin Guitar app, and it has, it's really helped me to improve and learn how to play again. So I'm going to start that song now and play a few chords for you, and let's get it. Okay. You an idea of what this guitar sounds like. I can finally play it somewhat, and I just wanted to also show you another thing that I was able to get in the past month. Somebody very kind gave me a free amp because this guitar also can be amplified. So I'm going to plug that in, and it was well worth purchasing both options. And I'm going to turn this on. It's on kind of loud. Let's see. And adjust that a little bit and turn it on. And I'm going to play a little song. I have to wait till that ad goes by, but one of the things that I've learned is you can go on YouTube and you can find songs that you kind of love and play them. It teaches you the chords and that kind of thing. Oh, that's not the right song. Wait. Oh, yeah, that would be a good song, but that's not the one I'm doing. Okay, so this is the song I'm going to play. I need to put this capo that came with the guitar on here. And so here we go. I'm only going to play a few bars for you. Okay, here we go. Ready? That's by Four Non-Blondes. What's Up? It's one of my favorite songs. So I am totally happy with this guitar. I bought it, like I said, back in March or so. So please do not be too judgmental on my guitar playing. I am totally a beginner guitar player and working on so many things right now in regards to just keeping up with the chords of the song. So for those of you who are interested in buying a guitar and you're just learning how to play, I actually think that investing in this type of guitar is good from the get-go, because if you buy a guitar that's too cheap, then you really aren't going to be motivated after a while, because your fingers are going to hurt too bad. First of all, it's not going to sound very good. And if you buy something that sounds really good from the get-go, you're just going to go, wow, it sounds so good, I want to play it again. So anyway, that is my follow-up from my last video. And thank you all who watched the first one and made such lovely comments. And hopefully this will help you out in regards to deciding whether or not you want to purchase a Zager guitar. I went through the same process myself, and I haven't regretted it. So, all right, so good luck to y'all, and y'all just have a great evening. All right, bye.